I always loved St David's Day. When we were in the primary school, we could dress up in national costume and go to school. It was the only chance we had to do that all year. And then in the secondary school, in the grammar school, we had the Eisteddfod, which we all enjoyed competing in. But a year ago this week, the people of Wales voted to change our future completely. We voted to turn our assembly into a lawmaking parliament. That's opened up huge potential for our future as a nation. I sit here in the European Parliament with people representing other nations across the continent. I want Wales to be here in its own right, Wales as an independent, confident nation. We're entering a new period in our history, in our future. We are seeing developments across the whole of the UK that will change our position in the world forever. This is the time for us to be decisive, to look forward, to inspire the people of Wales to come with us on a journey that will ensure that we have independence, that we are equal to every other nation in the world. We can do it on the sporting field. We all enjoyed last weekend watching the rugby, watching the football. We can do it in all kinds of other fields as well. So happy St David's Day and work with us for a better future.